Hello everyone. So tomorrow is your GATE exam. A lot of things would be going in your mind right now, but I will tell you what you have to do now. See, the main and the most important thing that is going to affect your result tomorrow is your composure. It is completely okay if you are not scoring good marks in test series now. It is also okay if you, even after preparing for 2 years, you are just getting 30 to 40 marks in test series. It is also okay that you have failed to revise some subjects. And it is also okay that you are thinking that, oh my god, I don't remember anything. What will happen tomorrow? Everything is fine. Just relax. It is not only you. It happens with all the candidates of GATE exam. But those who win are the ones who don't give up in this situation and fight to it. Your main purpose tomorrow should only be one thing, that is, go tomorrow and give your best. Best means whatever you can do. It's okay if you have studied 3 subjects out of 12. Go and solve all questions that you can solve tomorrow of that 3 subjects. Any question that you could solve should not remain incomplete there. Just remember, you just have to give your best. Don't care about what will happen tomorrow. Will you get a call from such low marks? Nothing. You don't even know what life has planned for you tomorrow. The only thing in your hand today is that go there and give your best. Solve all questions that you are able to solve with calm mind. Of course, you would be nervous, but don't let that nervousness overpower your intelligence tomorrow. You have to remember only one thing. Go and give your best. You don't know what will be paper tomorrow. It may happen that majority of questions are from the subjects that you studied. Anything can happen. Don't go with any expectation. Just go and give your best. Only remember one thing. Go and give your best. Leave the rest completely. Currently, nothing else matters. Only thing is you have to perform the best you can. It's a saying. जीत निश्चित होने पर तो कायर भी लड़ जाते हैं. बहादुर तो वो है जो हार निश्चित होने पर भी मैदान ना छोड़े. Trust me on this. If you will not give up tomorrow, if you will fight till the last second, you have no idea what miracles are waiting for you in the upcoming life. So I request you, forget everything now. Why you have to give GATE exam, why you need to score more marks, how long you have come. Don't think anything. It's just a paper. You have to go and you have to solve whatever you know. That's all you can do and you should do. And trust me, if you will do so, you will already win before coming out of the center. So just go there, give your best and leave the rest. All the best to all of you. Stay calm and rock it. See ya. Keep hustling.